Assalamu alaikum. Dear all students, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. On behalf of Milestone College, you all are welcome online class. Today we will discuss the first chapter of science. The name of this chapter is Healthy Life, Better Living. This is part 2 of this chapter. Dear student, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Kaji Fatima Jahan, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, with all of you on today's class. So, let's start our today's class. Dear student, after completing today's class, you all will be able to can explain the sources of vitamins and its deficiency symptoms, can explain the sources of minerals and its deficiency symptoms, and can describe the importance of roughage food. Vitamins. If the food contains sufficient amount of carbohydrates and proteins, a special type of food is necessary for the normal growth and nutrition of the body. This element is called vitamin. Vitamin is an organic compound. Vitamin is essential for normal growth and a healthy body. Some vitamins are soluble in fats and some are soluble in water. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. And water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Vitamin A. Animal sources of vitamin A are eggs, cow's milk, butter, yogurt, liver and different types of oil-rich fish, especially the cod fish. Plant sources of vitamin A are carotene-rich vegetables such as kochu shak, basil, jute leaf, mint, pea, carrot, peanut and different types of fruits such as mango, ripe papaya, jackfruit are the great sources of vitamin A. Large amount of vitamin A is present in carrots. The functions of vitamin A. It ensures smooth activities for the growth and development of the body. It maintains normal activities of different types of epithelial tissue, such as skin and cornea of the eyes. It keeps teeth, gum and bone healthy. It keeps the eyesight normal and protects the eyes from night blindness. It protects the body from contagious diseases. Deficiency symptoms. Night blindness is the result of the deficiency of vitamin A. Cornea ulcer also results from its deficiency. This is called xerophthalmia. Due to this disease, a person becomes totally blind. The growth of the body is also disturbed for the deficiency of vitamin A. Sometimes it causes the symptoms of scabies, cold and cough, throat pain. Sometimes rash is also seen in the skin. Remedies. Night blindness can be cured by vitamin A capsule. The best remedial way to get rid of this disease is to eat the vitamin A rich foods. Vitamin D. Animals are the only source of vitamin D. Vitamin D is synthesized in human skin by the ultraviolet ray of the sun. Yolk of egg, milk and butter are the main sources of vitamin D. Cabbage, liver and oil-rich fish are also the sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is useful to build bones. Because of the deficiency of vitamin D, children may be attacked with rickets disease. Taking more vitamins than the need is harmful for body. As a result, a large amount of calcium is stored in kidney, heart and veins. Vitamin E. All types of vegetable oil, especially palm oil, are the best sources of vitamin E. more or less all the foods have vitamin E. Large amount of E is available in corn oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil and lettuce leaf. Eating a balanced diet every day can fulfill the demand of vitamin E. In human body, vitamin E is the antioxidant. This antioxidant inhibits the accumulation of fat in vein and keeps the skin healthy. Besides this, vitamin E also helps to develop the cell and also participates in various metabolic activities. Vitamin E also removes the infertility of human beings and of other animals. The embryo may die in the uterus for the deficiency of vitamin E. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B are 12 in number. This group of vitamins is called the vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is very important for normal health. The presence of vitamin B is essential for the growth of the body, especially for the work of brain and the nervous system, metabolic activity of the cell and for reproduction. The source, deficiency symptoms and the amount of different types of vitamins in B complex are below. Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, cobalamin are important among the vitamin B. Thiamine. Plant source, husked rice, pulse, nut, fresh fruits and vegetables. Animal source, liver, egg, milk, fish, etc. contain small amount of B1. Different symptoms. Severe deficiency of vitamin B1 causes the symptoms of beriberi disease, weak nerve, depression, tiredness, loss of appetite, weight loss are also caused for its deficiency. Riboflavin. Source, liver, egg, milk, green vegetables, young shoot of plant and germinated seed. Different symptoms. Wounds in the angle of lips, mouth and tongue. Wrinkled skin, burning sensation of eyes, uneasiness in opening eyes in light. Niacin or nicotinic acid. Source, meat, liver, atta, pulse, nut, oilseed, chickpea and vegetables. Different symptoms. Its deficiency causes pellagra disease. Melanin is accumulated in skin due to this disease and melanin increases in the sunlight. As a result, skin becomes reddish and rough. Besides, the patient suffers from atrophy of accumulation of pigment in the tongue. Pyridoxine. Source, rice, atta, fish, meat, vegetables, chickpea, fungi, kidney and yolk of eggs. Different symptoms. Loss of appetite, vomiting tendency and anemia occur due to its deficiency. Cobalamin or cyanocobalamin. Source, liver, milk, fish, meat, egg, cheese, kidney, etc. Different symptoms. Anemia and nervous system disorder occur due to its deficiency. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid. Fresh vegetables and fruits contain vitamin C. The fruits like amloki, lemon, orange, pineapple and guava are the sources of vitamin C. The vegetables like lettuce, coriander leaf, mint, green chili, cauliflower and bitter gourd contain large amount of vitamin C. Dry fruit, seed and canned food do not contain this vitamin. The role of vitamin C are: the cells of skin, bone, teeth become compact and strong. The damaged cell get repaired. Teeth and gum become strong. Vitamin C has the important role in the metabolism of fat, protein and amino acids. It keeps the skin bright and smooth. It protects the body from diseases. Due to its severe deficiency, scurvy disease occurs. For its deficiency, bones cannot become strong. Skin diseases are caused by its deficiency and it takes time to repair the damaged cell. The gum of the teeth swells and teeth become weak. The immunity of the body decreases and frequently catches cold. Minerals. For the normal growth and nutrition of the body, minerals are also essential as vitamins. Minerals mainly help in the formation of cells. Animals get minerals from the plant source. We fulfill the demand of minerals by eating vegetables, fruits, milk, egg, fish, and drinking water. Iron. Iron is the main element of blood. 100 ml blood contains 50 mg iron. It is stored in liver, pancreas, bone, and red blood cells. The plant sources of iron are cauliflower, neem leaf, fig, green banana, wheat, nut, and millet. The animal sources are fish, meat, egg, and liver. The main function of iron is hemoglobin formation. Hemoglobin deficiency causes anemia. The symptoms of anemia are pale eyes, swelling of hands and legs, weakness, headache, and palpitation. Calcium. The main element of bone and teeth is calcium. About 2% of human body weight is calcium. The plant sources of calcium are pulse, sesame, soybean, cauliflower, spinach, kochu leaf, and kolmi leaf. The animal sources are milk, egg, small fish, and dry fish. For the strong bone and teeth, calcium is essential. Besides this, calcium helps in blood circulation, normal construction of the muscle of the heart, and the movement of heart and muscle. Rickets and osteomalacia of aged women occurs due to deficiency of calcium. Calcium deficiency delays in the formation of teeth of babies and disturbs in blood circulation. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is also an element of bone. Phosphorus is accumulated in bone, liver, and plasma. Phosphorus plays a vital role in the formation of nucleic acid and nucleoprotein and in carbohydrate metabolism. Plant source. Cereal, bean, peanut, and nut are sources of phosphorus. Animal source. Egg, milk, fish, meat are the sources of phosphorus. The main function of phosphorus is the formation of bone and teeth. Osteoporosis, rickets, and dental caries results from phosphorus deficiency. If there is sufficient amount of protein and calcium in food, phosphorus deficiency does not occur. Water. Water is one of the main elements of food. Water is essential for human body. The structure and function of the body cannot be maintained without water. Water constitutes 60 to 70% of our total body weight. Water is essential for the formation of our blood, muscle, nerve, teeth, bone, etc. It is not possible to form the body cell and physiological function of the body without water. It works as a solution for human body. The source of water in body are drinking water by drinks, tea, milk, coffee and juice, by taking food such as vegetables and fruits. If the intake of water and release of water are equal, the balance of water is maintained in the body. An important component of food is roughages or fiber-rich foods. Fiber or roughage is mainly obtained from plant. Entire seeds, pulse, potato, fruit with peel and vegetables are the sources of roughage. Besides this, dry fruit, cumin, coriander and pea contain a large amount of roughage. Roughage is mainly cellulose content plant cell wall. Roughage does not supply any nutrient to our body. It can protect the body from constipation, heart disease and diabetes. Roughage can go right through the intestine. It does not create any mold on the wall of intestine, so it can protect diseases. So we should take 20 to 30 gram of fiber food every day. This fiber is obtained from vegetables and fruits. The importance of roughage food. It helps to digest food, it absorbs water and increases the amount of stool. It helps to dispose the undigested food from the body. It helps to decrease the extra fat of the body. It also decreases the tendency of frequent hunger. It is thought that roughage food can decrease the gallbladder diseases, cancer of intestine and colon, piles, heart diseases and obesity. Dear student, as we are going to finish our today's class, there are two homework for you. Your homeworks are: write down the chart of source and deficiency symptoms of different types of vitamins in B complex group, and write down the importance of roughage food. Everyone, please complete your homework and submit to your subject teacher. Dear student, we are going to finish our today's class. Hope all of you understand our today's lesson. If you feel any problem, please discuss with your subject teacher and make it clear. And everyone, please complete your homework and submit to your subject teacher. That's the end of our today's class. Stay safe. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.